Is it supposed to hail?
I think so. Hey guys, Mountain Man here. Well, tonight's gonna be interesting. We've got possible 90, 80 mile-an-hour winds at midnight tonight. We've got everything tied down out back, and I've been putting stuff away, but it's getting ugly out here. Look at this. Look at that moving there. Look at that shit moving. Oh, yeah, there it goes. I can't even hold the camera still. This is gonna get ugly in a hurry. I just don't want to see any funnel clouds dropping down. Shit, who knows? Oh my God, look at that. I don't know if you can see how fast that right there is coming in. Right there. Oh, it's stopping. Like that. Here comes the rain. I don't see any funnel clouds. We haven't heard any sirens yet. Oh yeah, there's some stuff going on there. Shit. Okay, I'm going in. I'm going in. Here we go. We gotta shut the windows. We're gonna pressure. Whew. It's not gonna be pretty.
Whether to bring that plant in.
I don't know. Yeah, look at this stuff moving. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn this off for now. I'll keep you updated on what's going on, but this is a good one. Oh shit,
Let's put it out back.
Alright,
Can you open that
I'm gonna open the door for you.
door for me?
Whoa, there you go. I'm gonna go out here for a minute and take a look, see. Everybody see this. Whoa. Oh gosh, those are old banners down there that I use. Feel that? Man. Well, no sirens yet. No sirens yet. Alright, I'm going in. Shit. Jeez. Where are you?
She says she's worried about the swing chair.
Oh,
Carol.
it's pretty heavy. Alright, let me go get it.
No, don't.
Tell her it's all cast iron. I don't think it'll move. But I'm gonna go down and move it.
No, don't.
Well, I can just push it up against the house.
Okay.
All right, guys, I'll be back. Well, it just got really quiet
No,
out
it's
there.
me.
Let me go out and look.
Don't.
I'll be,
No.
yeah. Gotta go out and look. All right, that's still coming in. Look at this. Yeah, it got really quiet. When you go from big wind to no wind, you start looking for spinners. Oh shit, here comes this rain. It's gonna start dumping on us. Oh man, here it comes again. Whew. So there you go. We got everything tied down out here. We've got all the windows are shut, everything's good. And we've got a big old chair out here. It's cast iron. Swing chair down there. Oh, there comes some lightning. Down there's a swing chair. So, see what happens with that. So anyway, here it comes. When you're coming to Sturgis this year, look, you got water in the lens. You're coming to Sturgis this year, this shit happens. I mean, this is pretty freaking normal. So, be ready. Be ready for it. Get, on tents, it's crazy. But anyway, I'm heading in. Guys, mountain man out, and the weather is always fucking nice, but I'm going in. Alright guys, cheers. I'm gonna go post this real quick. Alright, we'll see you.